Hello, welcome back to TIMTOS 2025. We've got another piece of technology to show you. I'm here with Jemmy from Chmer, and you've got a brand new piece of machinery to show us here. And it's actually got a very, something you can't see, but it's a very important piece of technology. What have you improved on this new machine?
The thing we make different from other or from the previous machine. This one is a 100% green machine. Yeah.
And when you say green machine, what do you mean?
Yeah, it's easy because simply we means energy efficient. Power consumption is less and much efficient than earlier.
How have you achieved that reduction in power consumption?
So basically, what we do is we optimize electric bulb, and also the previous machine we use transformer, but this one we install the power supply, and in this way you can achieve energy efficiency.
So I guess you're following just really good electrical design practices.
Yeah, it is.
Why have you done that? What pressures do you have from customers or from the market to do something like that?
Of course, you know, we only have one Earth, and we should be eco-friendly and to our Mother Earth. So besides that, nowadays, like the machine you export to European country, and there's a regulation, you have to prove and indicate your machine are green enough. Yeah,
absolutely.
That's why.
Yeah, perfect. So energy efficiency is a big priority here in Taiwan, especially for the company Chmer.